Okay, our respected Raja sir, what's going on our school?
Here today on the special occasion of World Environment Day, our school blooming flowers, we are going to plant trees around Pawaganjang and Gitidara area. And also we are conducting sanitation program as this time's main theme was land restoration, desertification and drought resilience, which is being conducted in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And since 1973, United Nations program UNEP has been conducting this biggest environment program all around the world. Every year we celebrate on June 5th, and here we are ready for the financial program. We will be updating you. See you.
Thank you.
Heal the earth. Heal the earth. Heal our future. Heal our future. Save the nature. Save the nature. Save the earth. Save the earth. Vruksharopan. Vruksharopan. Save free. Relax free. Save the earth. Plant the tree. Stop pollution, find solution. Keep clean, free.
Okay, Gracie, how are you feeling about this program?
Feeling so happy because we are making our environment more better than yesterday. We should always plant trees and make it green because environment is everything that we need in our life.
And what are you going to do with this all of plants we are carrying?
I'm going to plant it everywhere where I can.
Okay, thank you very much.
Boys, what are you doing? Oh, you are just getting the liters.
Happy Environment Day. I'm here all the way from India planting national plant of Nepal, rhododendron. I've already planted one. I'm still going to plant more. So yes, save trees, plant more.
Thank you.
Cut the trees.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Ayush, how are you feeling right now?
Happy about our very respected teachers and students planting trees about our localities, areas.
And then, aren't you excited for the trees growth?
Yes, I'm so much excited for trees to grow because when we plant it is so very small, very much small. It will grow up and it will give greenery to this locality and we will have fresh oxygens.
Yeah, and it will be also a part of our memory, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And today in the special occasion of World Environment Day, what's the importance of it? Why we are doing all of this?
Yeah, every year we are celebrating World Environment Day, and today is the 5th of June. And you know that it is one of the most important day of the year because during this day we are planting trees for the greenery. We should keep our environment clean and you know that forest and especially green environment plays very important role to keep our forest very thick and let's say to be preserved. That's why this whole environment day is very important. That on the special occasion of this World Environment Day, not only in our school, all around the world, people are planting trees for that the safety of the world. Because if we keep our world clean, then only we can survive our life. Without forest, without greenery, our life is completely difficult, and it will be very difficult for other creatures also. That's why this whole environment day is very important to keep our environment neat and clean, and to plant the trees, and to aware the people not to cut down trees a lot, and to protect the forest. Because from forest we are getting lots of things which are necessary for human beings. Yes or no? Forest is the common home of birds and wildlife also, and we have to protect them also. That's why today these all are very important to keep our environment clean. That to say protect the wildlife, birds, and to keep our environment clean and green. And I would like to request to all the people who are watching this video to protect our forest, and to plant trees, and to keep our earth green. That's why this today 5th of June is very important.
Thank you, sir, for telling and describing about its importance about 1 March May.
Okay,